The sound of one hand. This koan asks, if we clap with only one hand, what does it sound like? This is a koan composed in Japan by Hakuin, who is said to be the founder of the Japan Rinzai School. This is the first barrier for training of the Rinzai School. If you clap with two hands, it sounds like clap. You cannot make a sound with one hand. The trainee who stick to common sense and logic have difficulty answering. Hakuin indeed for trainee to throw out common sense in order to separate from the preconception that you hear the sound with the ear, and in order to hear the sound with the mind, you need to be released from the bound of the common sense. It is said that Suzuki Daisetsu clapped his hand and asked the audience if it was the right hand or left hand that made a sound. When he gave lecture in Europe and the United States, it seemed to be an excellent way in which to speak the ideology of them. Thank you.